Hey guys, it's me, Casey. I really don't feel well today. I was absent school for the past week and a half. I'm going to be absent tomorrow, and I think I'm going to be absent on Friday too. And I've been absent a very long time. I don't really know why. So I'm just going to sing, if you ever seen the Glee episode, The Substitute, I saw it so lot of times. That was one of my favorite episodes. And Britney versus Britney. My next episode, I'm going to sing one of the Britney versus Britney episode songs. I don't know which yet. For this one, I'm going to be singing Singing in the Rain / My Umbrella by the Glee cast. So, just please. The girls on bed. Take the action. Go, you heard my heart, and I'll never be left apart. Maybe an emergency, but you'll still be in the sky. Maybe because in the sky, you can't see shiny cars. That's when I need you there, but you always share. 'Cause I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. Oh, glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds, the sky goes above. I'm singing, singing in the rain. Stand under my umbrella, eh, eh, eh. Under my umbrella, sing. I'll never go in between. Doesn't matter anything. The problems in me. But the world has precious cards. But the world has precious cards. It comes in the dark. Together it'll make your heart. 'Cause I'm singing in the rain. Just singing in the rain. A glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so far up above. Just singing, singing in the rain. Under my umbrella, just singing in the rain. I'm happy again. Laughing at clouds so dark up above. Singing, singing in the rain. It's raining, raining. Oh baby, it's raining, raining. Baby, tell me tonight. Oh hey tonight. It's raining, raining. Oh baby, it's raining, raining. Baby, tell me tonight. Oh hey tonight. Just singing away, but a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at dark up above, there's love in my heart, no matter what umbrella, my umbrella, my umbrella, my umbrella. Thank you guys. I'll see you in my next episode. I don't know what just happened with the video. It sounds amazing. So, my question of the day is, if you could have any dream of the world, what would it be? Leave a comment below. And if you guys didn't see the episode, tweet, follow me on Twitter. Got my Twitter usernames in there. I gotta go, bye.